Hey there, Buy Smart fans! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you save your hard-earned cash while making the best purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a steamy showdown that's going to make you say, why didn't I buy one of these sooner? We're comparing the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop against the Waitebird Steam Cleaner. It's the battle of the clean machines. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk money because, let's face it, everyone loves to save a buck. The BISSELL Powerfresh is priced at $164, which some reviewers feel is steep, but they appreciate its fast heating and versatility. However, others mention that it can become heavy when carrying it around. On the other hand, we have the Waitebird Steam Cleaner at a slightly lower price of $139. Reviewers find it to be a great deal considering its high-quality performance and user-friendliness. So if you're going for the Save Pets vibe, go with BISSELL. But if you're more of a save my wallet kind of person, Waitebird's your buddy. Now let's steam ahead to the next comparison. Steam Power. The BISSELL Powerfresh boasts the ability to eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria with the natural power of steam. Reviewers love its efficiency, but some note it lacks consistent steam output and requires frequent pauses to heat up. On the flip side, the Waitebird cranks it up a notch with high-temp steam reaching up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit. Users rave about its powerful steam that tackles tough grime and stains, making it a favorite for quick and effective cleaning. So if you want to feel like you're in a sci-fi movie while cleaning, the Waitebird has you covered. Next, let's talk about tank capacity. The BISSELL has a decent setup, but the Waitebird comes with a whopping 38 ounces water tank. Reviewers appreciate that it heats up in under 5 minutes and can steam for up to 45 minutes straight, making it perfect for extended cleaning sessions without needing a refill. Meanwhile, some BISSELL users mention the limited usage time due to its smaller tank. Seriously, if you're looking to steam clean your entire house without stopping for a refill, the Waitebird is the clear winner here. BISSELL, you might want to step it up. Now, let's talk accessories. The BISSELL comes with an onboard storage kit and various tools like a grout tool and a clothing steamer tool. Reviewers appreciate its versatility, but some express concerns about the handle being uncomfortable. However, the Waitebird takes it to the next level with a staggering 21 accessories. Users love the variety and find it incredibly versatile for cleaning a multitude of surfaces. This thing is so versatile, it could probably clean your car, your house, and your neighbor's cat if you wanted it to. In summary, the BISSELL Powerfresh Slim Steam Mop is a solid choice for those who want to save pets and have a decent cleaning experience, but it has some limitations. On the other hand, the Waitebird Steam Cleaner is the ultimate cleaning machine if you want high steam power, a generous water tank, and a plethora of accessories that make cleaning a breeze. So there you have it, folks. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And remember to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more product comparisons, and keep on buying smart. Until next time, may your floors stay clean and your pets stay happy. Product links are in the description.